Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about three words: see, look and watch. So let's get the ball rolling. See. See means noticing something using our eyes. Doesn't matter whether it's intentional or unintentional. You might see lots of things unintentionally. Look. Look at. There can be many phrasal verb of look, such as look at, look up, look into, look for, look after. Details in the description. As we mentioned in the title, we're going to talk about look at. Look at means directing our eyes in something's direction and pay attention to it. For example, look at the ladies on the screen. They're talking to each other and they're looking at each other as well. Seeing can be unintentional, but looking is mostly intentional. Now, last but not the least, watch. Watch is kind of similar to look at, but it usually means that we look at something for a period of time, especially something that is changing or moving. For example, we watch movies. Warning: we use see, not watch when we talk about being at sports matches or public performances such as films, theater, and dramas. For instance, we saw a wonderful new film last night. You will have to go and see it. More comparison of watch and see in upcoming video. For that, stay tuned. Thank you everyone for listening to me and for watching the video.